everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. We are headed to Leavenworth, and no, I don't mean the prison. There's actually a town here called Leavenworth, and it's supposed to be really neat, so...
Bavarian themed village.
Oh, that was really close.
Bavarian themed village.
No. Okay, no, I was like... Okay, go ahead.
Bavarian themed village.
Awesome. That's where we're going. It's about 18, 19 miles away from where we are. Yay! My sister's driving, and Dana and the family are following in their RV behind us. Beautiful. So we've made it here to Leavenworth. It is a cute, cute town with a lot of shops and restaurants.
Like a Swiss Army knife?
No, I'm good. I have one of those and I never use it.
Oh no, really?
Yeah. I bought it as a souvenir, but yeah, I don't use it. Like, that's not food. That's that plain stuff called water. Look, it's almost my name. Burger, but not Meister, and mine's with an E. Ooh, a Christmas shop. I love Christmas. Into the Kris Kringle Christmas shop. That is so cute. Have a Halloween section. Scary Christmas. I think that's called Halloween.
Harry Potter and the night before Christmas.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh my god, look at the little Christmas village. Well, actually it's not little, there's a lot going on. God, they have the RV, Christmas RV. Oh, that's the Griswold. Or Griswolds.
Black and white.
Yeah, that'd be Panda. Panda during Christmas. Yeah, I know, I saw. This one's a pretty big one. It is cute. Grinch is naughty. Oh, they even have a reindeer and Miss Claus. Look at this upside down tree. That is absolutely gorgeous. It looks like a chandelier. I know, isn't it beautiful?
I might do that.
I know. If I had room, I would definitely. Here, I'll take a picture. Hold on. Look at the happy bear hugging the tree. Look, it's a singing reindeer.
That's so adorable.
It is cute.
Please don't touch Sven.
Oh, his name is Sven. Wow, $6,500. That's expensive. Look at what? Oh. Oh my god. That is too funny. Believe. So if you didn't know, Christmas is my favorite all-time holiday. I'm not too big on the presents and stuff. It's just the music and all the happiness and all that. Oh my god, look at the balloon. That's so cute. It's a Chrysler building. Yeah, that's awesome. A little bit of New York City. Look, it's the big man himself up in the ceiling. Aw, it's an elf carousel. Oh wait, that one looks a little drunk. There's Happy. Ah, another one that looks a bit drunk.
So I think if you go up here.
Oh, pause above. This must be pet shop. You're welcome in here, Moo-moo. Oh, it smells very doggy. Ugh. Natasha, oh yeah. Hey, did you see Banjo?
Yeah, I saw.
Moo-moo, I don't see you up there. Sorry, Moo-moo. She's like, it's okay. Oh,
Look at the doggy.
what is that? Go, go.
What's that?
She's like, hello, hello.
Oh, what's that?
It's not real. So she got the
15, 17.
Min Pin coffee mug. That's so cute. And the keychain. Oh my god, look at that, Banjo. He's so cute. Oh. He's like, I'm not happy right now.
So cute.
God, Moo-moo's ready for Christmas. She's she's so nervous. She's like, oh my god, what is on my head? Is it gonna hurt me? Look at the cute ball. Look at you. Is it weird? Is it weird?
She's being oppressed.
We were getting sleepy.
Really?
We were getting sleepy.
Is that Banjo? It is Banjo.
Girl.
She's like, thank you, Auntie.
Being oppressed.
Oh, right. She didn't like that too much.
What's this?
Yeah, see? So it can be a hat / doggy water bowl, so you don't have to carry it around. She's like, is that my cousin? It looks like her cousin. It's like a mini-me of Moo-moo. Oh, yeah. See, there you go, Moo-moo. She's like, get it off. Get it off.
Makes those. Yeah.
That's gorgeous. Wow. So what does she embroider them herself?
No, the material she buys, and she
Oh.
just takes them and sews them and
Oh, okay.
creates the look and
It's beautiful.
the color.
I love that.
Cute idea.
So that's just a bunch of
Clips.
That is
Neat.
beautiful.
Yeah, you could do that.
That's awesome. Ooh. Look, they have a bench. One side is for short people. The other side's for tall people.
Sit on the short side.
Okay, sit on the short side. Moo-moo in the middle. Oh my god, chocolate and fine handmade chocolates. It's closed. No. Bad store for being closed. Like the strappy hiking sandals. Yeah, I like my sandals that I have. They're really comfy.
Yeah.
And plus
They're
I just...
similar, right?
Yeah.
They're the same.
Except they don't have that back strap on them. Hard row to hoe. Sorry, we're clothed. That's cute. A gingerbread factory. Ooh, let's go see some of the gingerbreads. Aw, look at that. So cute. These are awesome. Wow, look at that big one up there. Oh, look at the Easter gingerbread. Alright, well they don't have much here. It's mainly like a coffee shop. So everything's closed down there? Oh. The cheese factory and everything. Or the cheese shop. Darn it. So there's still smoke. You can barely see that mountain right there.
We used to roll down Grandma's hill.
Oh yeah, because she had a really steep hill. Oh, look at the kid is rolling down the hill. Yeah. That was a long time ago. And the kids are rolling down the hill. So speaking about the smoke, here's a little thing about it. Living with fire. 100 years of fire suppression. Here's some information if you want to read it. Wow, look at that fire. That was the Timwater Canyon, 1994. Look at the village pharmacy building. That is so cute. Actually, all these buildings are so cute. Oh, there's the horsey again. Look at the balconies covered in ivy and flowers. That's beautiful. Well, if you like wine tasting, they definitely have plenty of that here. There are actually a lot of shops that are pet friendly. Go, Moo-moo, go. Let's go inside. So they have a bunch of cute novelties here. Oh, my favorite song playing. Ride with me. Ride with me, Moo-moo. Those are cool theater seats. They're old. I think they fold up too, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, maybe they... Oh yeah, they do, see? Yeah, they used to have those in old theaters. This is definitely a cute town. We're gonna go ahead and find a restaurant to go eat at because I am starving. I think everybody else is hungry too. Welcome in Leavenworth. Who's that, Moo-moo? Who's that? Alright, well, we have reached the end of the town, so we're gonna turn around and I think finally find something to eat. Such a cute town. Alright, back to where we came from. Yeah, that restaurant looks really popular. There's actually a line there. Huh, it's really cute. Time photos. So it's downstairs. It's really neat. You do all different kinds. Those are really neat. I like the vintage look. Oh, look at this old castle. It's beautiful. Here, little. What'd you get? Oh my god.
What you doing?
That's so cute. Thank you. I don't have a Washington sticker yet. That's awesome. Thank you. So you actually just order and then you find a seat. This is Icicle Brewing Company. It's pretty nice.
I am looking for something for vegetarians.
Okay, we have a veggie wrap, which is really good. Comes with it's sort of a coleslaw type salsa type thing.
Salad.
And hummus and cream cheese. It goes down easy. I'll tell you that much. And we also have the harvest plate is quite nice.
They have the turkey sandwich. Okay. What's a harvest plate?
Harvest plate has carrots, cucumbers, crackers, hummus to dip it in, including our Bootjack IPA glazed almonds and some dried bean cherries.
Okay.
That's one of my go-tos. If you're feeling like warming up, we do have a tomato bisque soup with those oyster crackers.
Oh, they have the grilled cheese and soup combo.
Yes.
What is a soup?
Yes.
What's a soup?
Oh, sorry, it's a tomato bisque.
Oh, okay.
It's very good. Perfect for dipping.
Grilled cheese and tomato biscuits.
Yeah, sounds good. We're young again.
That's another good one.
That's what we used to do when we were young.
Came here once just to check it out before Christmas, like when we first came down with, yeah, it's just so gorgeous during Christmas. It's like that Christmas store, but the whole place.
Everything with lights.
Yeah.
And I've got your plate coming out in just a moment.
Awesome, thank you. She got the grilled cheese with tomato bisque.
Little gherkin.
Oh, little gherkin. So small and itsy
Three little
bitsy.
gherkins.
That grilled cheese looks amazing, actually.
Look at your turkeys. Look at the bread.
No. This is my turkey, and they usually serve it with chips, but I asked if I could get just like a small side salad instead.
Smart move.
And because I don't really care for chips,
Well,
so
it's like
they didn't charge me
root
extra or
vegetable
anything.
chips?
Right?
Weird.
Yeah, I was like, ugh, I'm not too big on chips.
And
So.
then you got some crackers. That's probably what mine will come with, those kind of crackers.
Right. And Dana got a cheese and meat platter. That looks awesome. Amazing.
Look at that. That's nice. It's just nice.
Yummy.
They even have a music to go with it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's
You play any instruments?
yeah, piano and sing.
Nice.
We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. I'm coming home. Savannah.